Hey, how you doing? Been working on the stairs this morning and I rang up to get some pricing on some hardwood for the handrail because I need a 140 by about 40, 42. And I rang this place this morning and it was like 40 bucks a metre. I thought, crap, but it was all dressed and it's the exact same timber, it's Merbau. So I rang around some other places, and the place where I got the hardwood the other week, they had 140 by 45 rough sawn and it was 36 bucks a metre. So I thought, yeah, for the extra couple of bucks I'd prefer to not have to dress everything. I needed to make sure I checked with my wife on the cost and the design stuff, which I'm glad I did, because I was going to order stuff for all these other bits that she doesn't actually want done just now. So I rang the bloke back and we said maybe we get it delivered so I don't have to leave the house. The guy goes, yeah, I can deliver, that's no problem. Just send me a message, we'll get you a quote and we can have it out there by Monday. And I went, are you open tomorrow? And he said no. I said, what time do you close today? He said, oh, 3 o'clock. It was 2. I said, well, I think I better come down now and collect it, because otherwise I won't have anything to do tomorrow and my wife won't be happy. So he said, sure, shoot me a message when you're leaving, I'll make sure I'm there. So I've done that. I left the house about 20 minutes ago. It's 25 to 3, he's down in Penrith. We'll go and get this this long beam. It's 5.4 metres I think, so it's going to be sticking out of the van anyway. At least I know what it's going to look like when I end up getting old and having a comb over, eh? Well, made it. Got the beam in the back of Max. So all the way to the back corner. Come up through, over the seat, out the window, and a little bit out the front. One of the definite beauties of having such a long van. The guy said, oh, it's going to hang out a fair bit. That's just over 2 feet, I think. Not even 3. So it's not too bad. And in terms of out the front of the actual vehicle, barely out the front at all. Got the good old mirror clamp happening. Time to head back home and get this thing installed. Redneck jointer right here. About to try and joint one side of those boards. Yeah. Don't try this at home, folks. There's my timber milled for the pickets. I think I did about 50, which is more than I need, but it's always better to have spares. And I'm now going to take it into school and use the thickness of there to try to clean them up a bit better, get them all the same thickness and stuff, get all those burn marks from my saw.